Hi, this is Dave. Just met Dave and his lovely wife Renee today at Westport Union Landing State Park, where we've been camped for a few days. And they came in with this cute little Winnebago, what do you call it?
It's a Volkswagen Eurovan with a Winnebago finish on top of the chassis.
Camping tours and friendly talks, explaining different kinds of campers. There are many types of motorhomes, vans, trailers, and tents. Being in nature is good for the soul. Every style of camping, for every person, camping is our therapy.
But it is a Volkswagen.
I see. And what year is it? Okay.
Oh, 2001, and it's front engine, 6-cylinder, air conditioning.
And how long have you had it?
I think it's our third year.
Great.
I started off with the 1968 Volkswagen camper, and I said I'd never get one again until I saw this, and that 6-cylinder, engine was up front, and it had air conditioning and a heater.
That's important.
Made it big.
That's important. This is the front of your cab, right?
Yeah, so we don't take too many things, but we need a kind of a storage area we don't have. There's a closet back there, but it's not that big. So we're basically living out of our packs, and in order to get them out of here, you see this is all clean. The packs are up front. This seat swivels around. That one does too, but we don't need to do that.
Okay.
There's just the two of us. And so there's also a table there. There's actually two tables, left one home. But there's a rail system on it that you can set up tables here and here. And so you sit on each side to eat. There's a real nice...
So let's look at this rail system. I'm not sure what you mean by rail system.
Okay, when I'm saying that, there's this right here.
Yeah.
So it's 10. And this is a table leaf.
You don't have to take it out.
The table leaf has an undercut that slips right on here, and just like any other table, and then you got to put the leg down so it stays up.
Yeah.
But it hangs right on there, and you can slide it so that the table's clear out to here, but you can have it here all the way back here. Let's say it's just wide. You can shift it around.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. Very cool. Very cool. And then you have a countertop, I see. Hey, now what is that countertop? What's under that countertop?
So this being a small refrigerator.
Sure. And the countertop.
This is hidden. You saw.
And you said something about Winnebago design that?
Yeah, they did all of this.
I see.
And the finish of this, the floor, the closet systems, the shelves, and anyway, they made it a little bit fancier than the old Volkswagens were. But I like the older Volkswagens because they were finished in wood.
I see.
And there's no wood in here.
Yeah. So what is this silver thing on the top of the counter right there?
That's the 2-burner stove.
And then is your propane outside underneath somewhere?
It's right by your feet there.
Okay, it's right under the step. Okay.
Very easy to use.
Yes.
Can spoil you in a hurry.
Yes.
See here, put away.
And then you have a sink over there.
In the sink.
Now show me the faucet. There it is.
Faucet.
Okay. Now is it a pressure or a pump? How do you get the water?
It does have a pump on it.
Ah,
like that.
Very cool. All right. Very good.
Also one in the back too.
I see. Great.
But
that's your sink.
Yeah.
Now what's down below the stove?
Okay, that's
refrigerator.
Below the refrigerator.
No, below the stove is the refrigerator.
Oh, below, yeah. This is gauges.
Gauges there.
Holding tanks.
Yeah.
And the battery levels, the gas level.
Okay.
That.
And then that little
water.
thing is your refrigerator.
Correct.
How big is that?
I
That's like about 3 cubic feet or 4 cubic feet. Yeah. Okay. That's good.
Can't quite read it.
It's okay.
Okay.
It's a small one. Good.
Yeah, it doesn't have a freezer area in it, so we don't get to have too much ice cream. But if you take a small Yeti like that, it makes a good little table or footrest to use too.
And then under the sink, what is that thing under the sink? That little
this is
a little drawer.
Silverware, you know, things to couple cups, pot holders, you know, stuff like that. Nice and tight.
And what's underneath that?
More stuff, more storage.
Okay. Your pantry, more or less.
Yeah, so put some food down there,
Yeah,
dry
good.
stuff.
Good.
And
then over to the left of that, you have a mirror thing there. What's that?
yeah, there's a mirror behind that. Got our coffee equipment and stuff, and it's got some cheat sheets on parts and stuff.
Good, good.
It came with 2 wine glasses in here.
Very important.
Yeah, for wine drinkers.
and then that's
down here's a storage. Got a fan, coffee makers in there too.
Good.
Just storage.
Good storage. And what's on beyond left of that?
There's a closet, which is kind of 2 purposes.
Okay.
My cat gets back there.
Oh, that's right. You travel with a cat.
That's the cat rides back there.
That's his riding
You
place.
can hang up several clothes back there, and it's got a shorter storage there. And then it got linen that can be on the other side of this wall.
Okay.
You can access it from the outside.
Okay. Okay, good. And then you're sitting on the bed.
I'm sitting on the bed.
And you said the bed was about a double size?
Yeah.
Kind of? A small double size?
A little bit difficult to pull out, so I'm not.
Oh, don't pull out. No, I don't want that. But it pulls out. How far does it pull out? Just demonstrate. Don't pull it out. Just how far?
It'll flatten out right here, and I believe it comes all the way to here.
Okay.
And so the rest of it's,
Okay.
I'm not 6 feet, but it must be right at 6 feet.
Like 6 feet. And then I noticed you have some vents under there. So is that your heating system underneath?
Yeah.
Where the vents are up there?
Right. That's the heat. Heat come out of there.
Okay. Okay. And then you have this up. You have a pop-up.
Right.
And you can stand in it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Very good. And
Very
then
easy to
up
pick.
over that way, is that a bed up there? Could that be used
Yes,
for bed?
it is a bed. And right now, it's our cat's house.
Cat's house.
And so he's got his bed up here, his toilet.
Oh, I
his
see
food,
him. I see his little
his
ears.
water, his regular food, and a bunch of other toys and stuff.
I see his little ears poking up over that blanket, just barely.
Say hi, Wiley. You're being filmed.
Kitty, kitty, kitty. There he is. I see his ears and his eyes. And how old you say your cat was?
He was 15 the 18th of the month.
Okay, very cool. And he's a beautiful cat. So, yeah, very good.
He's my boy.
Very good.
Yeah.
All right, and he lifts the back up.
Now, if you had an older Volkswagen, we'd be looking at the engine.
That's right. Yeah.
And not this one. So they've changed it. So anyway, the bedding's back here. And when the mattress, if you will, folds out, if we were going to go through all that.
Sure.
And it's got window curtains that cover up the back, which these are hanging down right now.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
And but it's got features of
Is that a little outside shower?
Yeah, so this, and it's got a pump.
And you got a couple little cubbies there with nets on them.
Oh yeah, got first aid kits.
Yeah, cool.
Whatever else you could shove in there.
Yeah.
I think this is just to fill her up.
Yeah,
part.
and then
Down here you've got showing. I don't get under here very much.
You don't get under there?
No.
Okay.
Electrical stuff.
That's where the electrical stuff is.
Right. Oh well, you got.
So you're just running off your engine battery?
Right now, we're using the propane, aren't we?
Refrigerator.
For the
Yeah,
refrigerator.
But the battery.
And we have a second battery. I won't lift this up.
No.
But inside here is the second battery, which we build up every trip, and now we're using some of it for tonight.
Right, right, for
since
lights
we
and
don't
stuff.
have electric yet.
Yeah, yeah. So when you camp, do you camp like this, boondocking, without hookups very often?
I would rather less people.
Yeah,
So
and a less
no, I
less
like people and
expense.
everything, but the experience is more yours when you do it this
Yeah,
way.
yeah,
Except they're hard. It's hard to find places like
yeah,
this.
yeah.
as
They
we all
are.
say.
Yeah, Westport's
Yeah.
a novelty anymore. Yeah, it's exactly right.
Yeah.
So now I have to ask 2 questions that are asked by YouTubers when they do RV things.
Uh-huh.
Where do you go to the bathroom?
Well, right over there.
Okay.
Okay, because we do not have but we do. There is a porta potty for
Nighttime
us
or
if we have
emergency
if
stuff.
we don't have that
Yeah,
facility
yeah.
there. And it can get cruder yet with a
bucket.
Costco empty bucket of mixed nuts. That can become a man's. Well, I have to say it. She asked me where I went to the bathroom.
That's right.
That's right. That'd be known to
Yeah.
fill some
Well,
of that up.
and ladies use empty laundry detergent bottles. So
Probably cut this.
Renee doesn't know that. We just
And
learned.
in our case, there is a cat box,
True.
which has been used by me.
Well, there you go. People know now. So, and then you do have an outside shower. Have you ever used it?
It's more rinse.
Yeah,
Rinse off.
It's more of a rinse
Rinse
thing.
off thing.
No, we.
You go to
Yeah.
places to shower, or you just go to relatives to shower, or you go to a campground?
Well, most of our showers, we've used this in moderate temperatures, like the Oregon coast,
Sure.
like this.
Yes.
So you don't want to come out here and really get wet. So we'll either go to a motel like the third night, or we'll have an RV place that we'll stay at.
Yeah, you'll stay in the
and
shower.
use their
Yeah,
shower.
that's what a lot of people do.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, a lot of people do that. Yeah. So,
good
and you're
motel.
cooking. You cook out. Well, you cook in there, but do you cook outside as well? Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Try to do that most of the time.
Cooking outside. Yeah, that's more fun
Oh yeah.
anyway.
We would never.
Yeah.
We never would cook a steak in
In the
inside,
RV.
But warm-ups from lasagna.
There you
No,
go.
or chili verde tonight.
Oh, okay. And of course, your morning coffee. Yeah, those are
Oh, I'll
important
make
things.
coffee. There's no
Those are
doubt about
important
that.
things. Oh, very good. So, Renee and Dave, thank you so much for your interview and your little tour. And I really appreciate it. And stay crafty.
Okay.
I want to thank Dave and Renee for allowing me to interview them and tour their van. I want to thank everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. I'd like to thank my members Sherry Rita, Desert Adventures in Arizona, and Sally Forth for supporting my channel. You can join too for 99 cents a month, and I will send you a sticker. Thanks again. Stay crafty, smart, creative, and safe when interviewing and touring other people's rigs. Thank you for watching.